Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get notes feature on Instagram. So if notes are missing on your Instagram, I used to have this problem, but I'm going to be showing you how I fixed this. As you can see here, a lot of people on YouTube say that you have to update the app to the latest version. I did everything. I updated the app. I just changed a lot of things on my settings and nothing worked. But after that, I watched one video which helped me. That's why I made this video, guys. I want to show you exactly how you can get the note feature on Instagram. So I didn't have the note feature here, as you can see in the top left. I didn't have it. What I did, guys, I just took a screenshot like this. I took a screenshot when I didn't have it. Now I have that feature. Now take a screenshot here. Go to your messages in the top right and take a screenshot, okay? Where you can see the note. Like, just take a screenshot, and then what you want to do, guys, you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then you want to click three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on settings. After that, you want to click on help. After that, you want to click on report a problem in the top. After that, you want to click on report a problem without checking. After that, you want to click on don't include and continue at the bottom. Now what you want to do, guys, the reason why I told you to take a screenshot, you want to click this upload at the very bottom left, click upload and upload that screenshot. Now I can't send a message now because I already have the note feature. I already contacted Instagram. Now what you want to do, guys, after you upload the screenshot here, you want to type here in the top, hi, please add note feature to my account. All my friends have it. Please fix this. You don't have to type the same thing. You can just say, hi, please add note feature to my account. All my friends have it. Please fix this. And then click send in the top right. I can't click it again because, like I said, I already sent them a message. The only problem with this is you will have to wait 24 hours. So please, guys, be patient and come back to this video within 24 hours. And let me know in the comments if this video helped you. So like I said, guys, don't worry. You will have the note feature in no time. Just wait a few hours and you will be able to have note feature. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. Leave a like on this video. See you guys next